Today on 3D Chill, we're going to print and assemble the X-Wing Starfighter card kit. Let's head on over to Thingiverse and grab ourselves the file. You'll want to search for X-Wing card kit. You're going to see two designs, the original and the remastered. You'll want to get the remastered version. This one has a repositioned hanging loop, better detail on the wings, and more accurate proportions. Each individual piece is available in its own STL file. We're going to go with the complete kit. Click Download All Files. You'll want to grab the X-Wing Redux Kit STL. Let's head on over to Cura and get slicing. With dynamic settings, it's going to take roughly 1.5 hours. Let's get to it. There are three main parts: the body, wings, and the connecting ring. You'll have to separate each piece first. Using Jedi powers, we'll make quick work of this. Now, it wasn't that easy. Now that the pieces are separated, let's organize them and start assembly. This kit is so simple to put together, you really don't even need instructions. I'd argue you don't even need to watch this video. Just kidding. The wings are all identical, so feel free to grab any and start assembling. If you feel the wings are a bit loose, you can always glue them in place. Or you can download the tight version of the kit. I haven't downloaded that one, but I'm assuming it just has tighter tolerances between the pieces. For as simple as this kit is, its overall shape does a good job representing an X-Wing fighter. Did you make this print? If so, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. I'll be printing a whole series of Star Wars kits, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Happy printing!